In this video we are going to understand how to calculate the area of a rectangle, and it's basically like length multiplied by width. So when we click on the green flag, so it says like what is the length of the rectangle, let's say 4, and width is like 3, so the area is 12, it says. So how we are doing that in Scratch is with this logic, that you are saying that when we click on the green flag, then the program should execute. You need two variables, length and width. So in the variable section you click on the make a variable and create two variables. So you can see I have this length and width already over there, and after that I'm giving them the default values, like the starting values. So it's 0, like initially 0 is stored in length and width. Then we are asking the user to enter the length of the rectangle. Whatever the answer, whatever the value will be given by the user, that will be stored in this variable that we have to save somewhere. So we are saving it length variable here. After that we are displaying second message to calculate the width of the rectangle, and the value by default will be stored in this variable, and we have to store it somewhere. So we are storing it in this width variable. After that we have to put formula, and the formula is like this length multiplied by width. This is the formula for calculating the area of rectangle, and we have to display this result along with the message. So it's like area is equals to this. So we are using this join instruction, where you can see that here this is the message and this is the value, the result of the calculation, and this will be displayed for like 5 seconds. So one more time, when you are calculating the length and width, so we have to say like it's 10 and let's say 5. So it says area is 50.